Let's make shrimp avocado taco, which is only 250 calories. The ingredients and quantities are in the description below. In a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, add shrimp and sauté until cooked. Next, add peppers, chopped onions, Himalayan salt to taste, I've used all-purpose seasoning, but you can use taco seasoning as well. Sauté it, let it simmer and cook for a bit, and the shrimp filling is ready. Now we are ready to make the tacos. In the flatbread, add cooked shrimp, you can add 2 to 3 shrimps. Top it with 2 slices of avocado. Add some cilantro, a hint of cheese, and chipotle sauce. I have just used a bit. And now it's ready. Yum! Super easy, delicious, and healthy. Try it out and let us know how you find it in the comment below. And please hit the subscribe button for more health and fitness videos.